Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch TikTok videos full screen, so without the captions and stuff like that. Very, very simple and easy to do. You won't be able to do this every single TikTok video, but majority of them you will be able to, and I'll show you guys what I mean. So if you head over to TikTok here and you start scrolling on videos, all you want to do if you want to watch the video in full screen is just click on the three dots and then click on Save Video. When you click on Save Video, it's going to go to your gallery or your Photos app, so you're able to watch it full screen. But if you don't see Save Video there for some reason, like right here, that just means that the creator had turned it off on their video themselves, so you have no way to control that. But if it says Save Video there, you're good to go and you're able to watch it on full screen. So I'll show you guys here. If you head over to Photos and go here, you'll be able to watch this video full screen without any captions or anything like that. So it's very easy to do. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.